去打了一面去。没空就。
用这张了，用草了嘞。这出去了，这出去，啊，这我们上，这东西这样。
不行，那就别让你。那走。
都加盟进去。
俺们进，俺们进，俺们进去。俺们进拖，进拖，进拖，进拖。进拖，进拖，进拖。俺们进拖，俺们进拖。不，俺们进拖。等等叫了，等等叫。Yes。进拖，进拖，西亚了。 Kukina thadarak tana khoi ga aram bagi yumni to loi hore to hoji kukina thadarak ka nong pung tai chai re si hori ma nu to loi hore hori ma oh ma loi hore to 뚝뚝 사다리만 시 호래 또 그냥 호래 이것도 뭐냐 다다리 이제 또 시즌이 또 사라 다다리 시 보시
이마 박통 이마 누구 박통네 이마 만우도 미까래 우리 아무데나 오자봐 미낙산 내래
우리네.
나대 와게 이마 아시도 까나래 우리 게임다
Asiko sunakan karam madano.
이마 싱래 우리 브라바
Honda dilere ba khoji kaino tado anam mane ram.
Nati asum makhar kai ki kana
Ai di dilerang kini mojo.
Anang so puni din bu khaki
ngako si yo na e naksale namning ko
Kano?
si me am ko gi manipur state kai tauri ge mi gi di bom drone thadaraga pokai thadari si khoi na han obra moi na han obra bu du mi biro si khunjai ma me am se pak tha lai de ima nang matai si lao yo de ngako yo pa ka Asi manung di masing leo ri ba
leo ti nasai pi se pe chango bna ko na pe se
cậu chụp ra nông mày cầm ra để ai khi nó nông mày cầm ra lên chỉ phải nên cái tàu chơi
Ai ngasi wa da hai deu. Kau je khoi lei ji kong chuk tani. Ado aram bai teng go gi ta se na lan mi oi na tholak ki su na te. Ana khoi ji aji irang ju ka chi tang ne me hai bi dia de nong mai kam na kon na bakal le ko koi ta ni ji lo ra ga Akwai wakal kitang mind refresh tau na ba den aram bai ting na ka pe bon kan na tawre drone bombing ne ado kumalam pak ta khoi ji sport tau da na boxing knockout championship tau da na khoi ji mayam ji nu ai na lai ring ta ni ta tam da na khoi ji sigumba sana kona ba ki no ji khai ting ga ga mo da ngasi ji final no mi chi lai ta tha ji da na kau truk ta kuki na no mai kam sa le atam na yum da kam sa la kona ma ga ga da nupi ma maun ha ma leikhidrba makok ta sap sa na pan da na kamna nuai te thamoi soe adagi pekli ba ma gi macha nupi ma kutta pa la soe adu matak state force ani ma ju so ko gi smaina pau si lere aduna matam khara ju hai ba ko ji khara ju kun nga khosing amadi state force ka ju khara kitang ju alert oina su lei rudre aduna maram orga na si khotong sa ji lawre adu tam janing di akoi central force sing sina ngang lai tana ko akoi central force sing sina ngang lai tana nakal ani gi marak ta koi lei na mai dei da gi ju khut tha bi rakanu aduga koki da gi su khut tha loe na moi ngang lai tana promise ta hoye oira ma mapang puding da dum ko sung rom da khang de sekmai rom da khang de kau thu rom da khang de adagi ama ekta mapam ama da ekta so is this really central forces are protecting us from the cookie illegal immigrants? I would like to ask sincerely to the government of India and to all the central forces, including paramilitary forces, that you keep on promising that you are going to protect the indigenous people, that you are in between, that you are standing in between Kuki and Meiteis, and you keep on saying that please don't fire from Meitei, and then we are protecting Kukis and we won't allow them to fire to Meiteis also. Is this you are really protecting us? Is this really you doesn't have a Kuki to fire the Meitei peoples, the real indigenous people? See, you can hear the sound. They keep on bombing through drone bombing. So is this really under the guidance of SU, suspension of operation, that they are using a drone bombing and they keep on killing the people around here? This is not saying by me. It is not only witnessed by me, it is witnessed by the state forces also. It is witnessed by all the public also. So they have really used today a drone bombing, and then they were using a bomb through drone, and then they keep on dropping that bomb. Because of that, many people have injured, and then we have lost our life. So how long we have to bear like this? How long do we have to bear like this? So if not, please stay away. If not, please go back, central forces. So we will face ourselves. This is a communal war. It is a conflict war between the illegal immigrants and the real indigenous people of Manipur, so-called Meitei. So we will face ourselves. If you are not going to protect us from all this, then we will face ourselves. Please go away. We don't need any central forces at all. Sina ina thamjani wa bunji moina ngal itana central forces na maya de lepaga ai koi ju kapaloi moi ju kapaloi na haire moina toraga na koi mi panga ta hatpa pangsok ta sokpa state force mi hatpa sokpa kaim haidawa then nahan mak ta su moi gi KNO gi general secretary marupok nu pa duna hausi pawda central government na su gi ground rule thugai haiba ki pot amata yaudri hai na hairak palai tri hai na nan hai central forces ke am hat kare Assam rifle ki base ke they have killed many central forces state forces ki mayam including snipers season organda mayam hat kare then public mayam hat kare kun ngak jaba mayam hat kare ngasi makta da su drone bombing sinare drone ji pahalaga drone du gi kaino bomb je yaurga thadar aga advain torga drone bombing tor sidi Ukraine Russia Ukraine war da ba sidi UN United Nations na thing ba dugumba yamna danger oiba yamna kurong thiba sanna ba yada ba kaino amane kaisu lai taba sigi communal conflict khar sida sigi kaitang khana ba chaina ba sida drone bombing season or pasidi India government need to take a very severe and then very strict action against this so-called Kukigi illegal immigrants and Kukigi bloody terrorists. This is what I would like to say to the central government. Thank you.